Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing sneaker, something outside of Supreme. And this time around, I was able to cop a really highly anticipated drop. It's the Off-White Jordan 5. And if you've been following, this is a second Jordan 5 that's been collabed with Off-White. And I'm so lucky to get both of them. So I'll show you guys both colorways, but this one was the off-white beige looking one. There's a gray one that I still have in hands. I had not resell it yet. Even this one, I'm gonna think about what I want to do with it, whether I'm gonna resell it or not. But this is Off-White Jordan 5 sale. I don't know what it is about me with Off-White. I just tend to get luckier with Off-White. I'm not complaining or anything like that, but this is the second one. If you know any of the sneaker drop, the Nike sneaker app has this 10-minute time frame to enter for the draw. You pretty much put your place in there and you just kind of have to pray and hope that you get selected. And for me, I got selected for the sales, and not only for the sales, the same account I got for the gray. So again, I don't know what it is. Both of them happen to be on the iPhone. I do have two accounts, one on the Android and one on the iPhone. Two different email, two different payment method, two different address. So I try to avoid that conflict. So in case I do get kind of flagged and both of them get thrown out from the raffle, I wanted to avoid that. So when I do enter, it is from both separate information. And this one for both Off-White, the gray one and the sale, both of them were on iPhone. So maybe I am getting luckier on iPhone. I'm not sure, but that's just my feeling. But let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you guys what I got. This one came in the Nike box as usual, the Just Do It tape. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I must give it to Virgil on the Off-White because he did. Everyone used to think fives were like the trash Jordan, right? Everyone loves the ones. I love the fours. I didn't think too much of the five, but when it collab with Off-White, you have to like it. So if you know the Off-White and have bought them, the box comes like this. It does has that hole in the middle on the back, all over the place, kind of give you that inside look. And if you open the box like this, you have the plastic with the sneaker. The shoe wrapping is not plastic. It's not like paper, brown paper or anything like that. It's actually plastic. So and all over it, you're gonna see the Off-White logo all over it. There's no actually Nike symbol, but there is Jordan symbol in the middle here. But besides that, everything is Off-White and some numbering. I'm not sure what the numbering is, but I think it's the year 2020. And it says trademark, and then it has Y 2013, and I believe 2013 is the Off-White when the brand was founded. But other than that, in the front you have the size 9. I'm size 9 when I buy these. I always buy with the intention to keep, but if I do sell it, I sell it. But other than that, it has that. There's nothing else that says Off-White on it. But the box is used, but it's pretty much the same in terms of the logo and the addressing, the sizing. There's nothing that says Off-White other than the box appearance itself. This was $225, but I think you could triple, quadruple your money easily. Gray one is going for close to $1,000. I'm actually trying to sell it for $1,000. Let's see if someone buys it. But this one, I'm guessing you probably, if you keep it a little longer, it's gonna go up in price, and I'm definitely gonna try to see if I could keep it that stock. That said, we have two shoelaces, the red and the black, and this one has the tan Off-White color. Again, they're calling this a sale. The signature of the Off-White, the zip tie here. And then pretty much if you familiar with the Off-White Jordan 5, you have these holes that's Virgil have put in, and you see the Jordan Off-White and perforation there, and even here on the top and on the side here as well. The 23 Nike Air is kind of translucent in the back. It's almost as if like it's inside, and then they have this wrapping that's been done. And you have the shoe stopper here, lace stopper. I'm not sure what exactly it's called. I might be wrong there, but they have this plastic guarding the shoe guard right here. I'm not sure why they have it that way, but and you have the shoe horn stuffed in here so it does not ruin. But if you take this out, the sole itself is nothing. I could double check here, but yep, it's just a Nike Air black insole. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's Nike Air. The smell of fresh new kicks. Probably just a factory smell, but nonetheless, you know the smell if you know the fresh kick smell. Anyway, yeah. Again, this is off-white color. Let me bring out the gray one and we'll do kind of like a side-by-side comparison. The gray one is here. The box again. The box are the same. The whole location, the Jordan, they all the same. They flipped up. And like I said, I still kept it in the same box, same wrapping, nothing touched. So we have the gray one here, and we have the sail one here. This one has a black shoelace with white and red, black and red, but again, it's not the actual white, kind of like the yellowish tan look. So it has this unique lace other than the black and white one. If you look at it, everything else is the same. The bottom is the same. The side, the only difference is the gray cement look versus the red. Everything else, the gum bottom, the black, everything else is the same. The lettering, I'm assuming it's the same. The 23 is the same. The back Nike Air is the same. And even the Jordan 5 Oregon USA, the insole inside of the sneakers are the same. So again, I'm very fortunate to get both of them. And even this has the same foam exposing, although this black one you kind of see from a metallic to black foam clearly, because the same color on here, you don't really notice that foam as much as the black metallic or gray metallic one. But definitely up top, all around, it is definitely foam, similar to the black one, and everything else is translucent. So I love the colorway. I know again people don't like the fives, and maybe it was a statement piece from Virgil point of view saying, hey, fives are cool as well. But here I'll give you guys a closer look on both of them, do comparison, and we'll wrap it up.